Little known ways for aloe vera colon cleanse. Hi, I'm Sam and I really know the feeling of a bad digestion due to a sluggish colon which results in low energy, headaches and an overall uncomfortable feeling in the body. And like you, most of the stuff about colon cleanse I've tried didn't really work well for me. But it wasn't until I discovered the 8 benefits of aloe vera colon cleanse and turned them into habits that I started seeing fast improvements with my colon health. Are you ready for them? Here we go. Benefit number 1, a variety of minerals. Aloe vera contains some minerals, for example magnesium, chromium, zinc and manganese. Most of the minerals act together in unison to enable the body to have better enzyme metabolic reactions. Some of the minerals like zinc ensure that there are fast enzyme reactions. This is by the removal of oxidizing agents that may be harmful to the human body. Benefit number 2, amino acids. Aloe vera contains some amino acids. It possesses about 22 that are very important for the body functions. Some of the amino acids, for example the salicylic acid, fight bacteria in the human digestive system. On top of this, they help to reduce inflammations that may also occur. Benefit number 3, vitamins. Aloe vera also is one of the few plants that contain the vitamin B12. This is one of the main building blocks of the red blood cell production. There are other vitamins like vitamin A, C and E. These vitamins also aid in the removal of the oxidizing agents that may harm the body. It also has minerals like choline. These are the vitamins that come into play when the amino acids are being converted into food. This is for the production of energy for the purpose of cellular processes. Benefit number 4, digestive enzymes. In the digestion, there are some enzymes that are very important for digestion. These are lipase as well as amylase. The two are found in the aloe vera. These two enzymes, if orally ingested, help in the digestion process. They are used during the process of breaking down of the sugars as well as the fats that are ingested. It also possesses another enzyme known as bradykinin. This enzyme is responsible for minimizing the chances of excessive inflammation. Benefit number 5, anthraquinones. Aloe vera as a plant contains some anthraquinones. These majorly make the plant best to ingest as they act as laxatives. Laxatives are substances that are ingested for the purpose of improving the bowel movements. On top of this, they also help in the loosening of your stool. Others like the imodin and the aloin in the body act as antivirals as well as antibacterial. Benefit number 6, sugars. Aloe vera has some sugars that are not easily noticed. This is because they are found in the mucilage part. The most common that is contained in the plant is one that is known as glucomannanes. These are the ones that make the plant have the healing ability that is associated with the plant. They make the body to have a better immune system. On top of this, they act as antivirals as well as antibacterial. They are also responsible for better tissue growth and also enhancing of some metabolic processes. Benefit number 7, hormones. It has some hormones that are also very good for the body. The gibberellins and the auxins that are in the plant help in the healing of wounds. They also come in handy in the prevention of inflammations in the body. Benefit number 8, fatty acids. The plant has some fatty acids. These include campestérol, luteol and cholesterol. These fatty acids are all very helpful in reducing inflammations. They also help in the minimizing of growth of some microorganisms that may cause diseases. There you have it. Work all 7 of those into your daily routine and within a week or 2 you will notice significant changes in your colon health. But usually something more powerful is required to colon cleanse faster and without preparation of special meals and drinks during your busy days. Luckily, there are some other all-natural but high-powered home treatments out there that can improve your colon health fast and easy. To learn more about a powerful colon cleanse treatment called Digested that works fast and super easy from home, just go to coloncleansehelper.com/digest or click on the link in the video description below. By the way, this is just a testimonial from Amber who is regularly using Digested. Just have a quick look what she has to say about her results.
I no longer need coffee to get going in the morning, and I have lost the desire for the most unhealthy foods that I was consuming.
So as you can see, Digested works great for Amber and many other people. So again, you can get Digested in the link below or go to coloncleansehelper.com/digest. Type that in or click the link in the video description below. My name is Sam and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can find any video I release whenever I release them. Also watch one of my other videos to improve your colon health. Share this video with your friends and comments below if you have any questions for me. I'm happy to help. I'll see you in the next video.